88 multiplied by 92 equal to question mark. Common number is 90. Common number is 90. 90 minus 2 is 88 and 90 plus 2 is 92. 90 is common number. 90 is common number. 90 is common number. 90 minus 2 88. 90 plus 2 92. Common number is 90. 90 square minus difference is 2. Difference square. 90 square. 9 times 81. 2 zeros minus 2 square is 4. 8100 minus 4. 8096. 8100 minus 4. 8096. (74) multiplied by 66. 74 and 66. Common number is 70. 70. 70. 70 plus 4 74. 70 minus 4 66. 70 plus 4 74. 70 minus 4 is 66. Common number is 70. Common number square minus difference is 4. 4 square. 4 square equal to 70 square. 7 times 49. 49. 2 zeros minus 4 square is 16. 4900 minus 16. 4900 minus 16 is 4884. 4884. (27) multiplied by 33. Common number is 30. Common number is 30. 30 minus 3 is 27. 30 plus 3 is 33. Common number is 30. 30 square. 30 square minus difference is 3. 3 square. 3 square. 30 square. 3 times 9. 2 zeros minus 3 square is 9. 900 minus 9. 891. Next example. 48. 48 multiplied by 52 equal to. Common number is 50. Common number is 50. 50 minus 2 is 48. 50 plus 2 is 52. So 50 square. 50 square 2500 minus difference is 2. 50 minus 2 48. 50 plus 2 is 52. Difference is 2. 2 square. 2 square is 4. Common number is 50. 50 square is 2500 minus difference is 2. 2 square is 4. 2500 minus 4 is 2496. Double 9 into double 9 equal to question mark. Double 9 into double 9 equal to. Subtract 1 from 99 and write it here. 99 minus 1 98. Next, now take the difference of every digit from 9. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 8 1. 9801. This is your answer. Double 9 into double 9 equal to 9801. Next example. 999 into 999 equal to subtract 1 from 999 and write it here 998. 999 minus 1 equal to 998. And now take the difference of every digit from 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 998,001. This is the answer. "23 multiplied with 999. Number of nines are more than number of digits. One 9 is extra here. One 9 is extra. 23. Subtract 1 from 23. Subtract 1. 23 minus 1. 22. 22. One 9 is extra here. So that 9 is I added here. And next same procedure. Now take the difference of every digit from 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. 43 multiplied by 99. Number of digits, both the cases are same. Subtract 1 from this number. 43 minus 1, 42. 42. Now take the difference of every digit from 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 72 multiplied by 99. Subtract 1 from this number. Subtract 1 from this number. 72 minus 1, 71. 9 minus 7, 2. Next 9 minus 1, 8. 8. 11 into 11. 121. How many ones? 2 ones. 2 is in the middle. Decreases to 1 left side and also same decreases to 1 right side. 3 ones multiplied by 3 ones equal to how many ones? 3 ones. 3 is in the middle. Decreases to 1 left side and also same decreases to 1 right side. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1. 4 ones multiplied by 4 ones. 4. Number of ones is 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 ones multiplied by 6 ones. Number of ones is 6. 6 is written here and decreases to 1 left side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And also same decreases to 1 right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number of ones is 6. 6 is in the middle and decreases to 1 left side and also some decreases to 1 right side. Number of ones is 4. 4 ones multiplied by 4 ones. 4 is written here, decreases to 1 left side and also some decreases to 1 right side. 5 ones multiplied by 5 ones. 5 is middle, decreases to 1 left side and also same decreases to 1 right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 ones into 5 ones equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Under root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 1 equal to under root of 1 to 3 4, 3 to 1 equal to 4. 4 is middle, decreases to 1 left side and also same decreases to 1 right side. So 4 is middle. Answer is 4 ones only. Answer is 4 ones. 1 2 3 4, 3 to 1. 1 2 3 4, 3 to 1 equal to answer is 4 ones. Under root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 under root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 to 1 equal to 6 is middle. 6 is middle, decreases to 1 left side and also same decreases to 1 right side. 6 is middle, so answer is 6 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One to 1, 121. 2 is middle, decreases to 1 left side and also some decreases to 1 right side. 2 is middle, so 2 ones. Under root of 121 equal to 2 ones. Under root of 1 2 3 2 1. 3 is middle. 3 is middle, decreases to 1 left side and also some decreases to 1 right side. Answer is 3 ones only. 3 ones. 3 is middle, answer is 3 ones. 2 is middle, answer is 2 ones. 6 is middle, so answer is 6 ones. 4 is middle, answer is 4 ones.